Let me show you how we can fix the issue with LDAC option not being available in the Bluetooth device settings on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So even though these earbuds should give me access to LDAC, unfortunately I don't have it in the Bluetooth settings. But the reason why I don't have it is because I have an app that is of course made for example, these earbuds. And more precisely, if I go to the details of my earbuds, then here I have an option for sound quality and effects. And this option, for example, over here, prioritize connection quality, this is the reason why we have this issue. So if I switch to sound quality now, I should be able to go back to the settings of my Bluetooth device. And as you can see now, I have the option to enable and disable LDAC. So in other words, if you have an app that you have downloaded for your earbuds, you might want to check the sound quality settings, which of course depends on the app itself where you can find it, but essentially in the settings of the app, you want to find settings related to the quality, and you want to pretty much change the quality to anything else. So for example, if you have sound quality and it doesn't work or something like that, then switch to connection quality, or the other way around. And this should solve this issue. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!